in their coffers the money which was meant to have been transmitted to the Treasury single account domiciled in the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. On July 20th, Justice Chuka Obiozo of the Federal High Court in Lagos granted an interim order in favor of the federal government directing the banks to temporarily remit the funds to the TSA. The judge had then adjourned till Tuesday, August 8, for the banks to appear before him to show cause why the interim order should not be made permanent. Following the order, most of the affected banks issued retractions and disclaimers, insisting they had no illegal funds in their custody. The proceedings on Tuesday did not provide evidence of these illegal funds. Instead, counsel to the federal government, Professor Yemi Akinseye George, told the court that he had been instructed by the Attorney General of the Federation to discontinue the case in the overall interest of the public. He stressed that this was not because the suit lacked substance or was baseless, but being corporate citizens, the federal government was interested in the well-being of the banks, especially because of the economic implications.
The case was filed in the public interest, and it was discontinued in the larger or overriding public interest. I think what the AG has done is good in the interest of all of us.
But the banks, through their lawyers, have insisted that the government's allegation against them was false and had caused substantial damage to their reputation. They instead urged the judge not to merely strike out the suit, but to dismiss it and award cost of between 10 to 20 million naira against the federal government. They also argued that any case struck out could be refiled, while a case dismissed could no longer be refiled.
It's good that the action was discontinued, but what about the collateral damage? Don't forget that they obtained interim orders. They made publications in the newspaper that were not in my client's interest, in the bank's interest. Some damage was done.
After listening to the submissions of the parties, Justice Obiozo adjourned till Wednesday, August 9, to rule on whether the case would be struck out or dismissed. Shola Shoyeli, Channels Television News.